Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 media remote. First, let's ensure your PlayStation 5 console is fully powered on and not in rest mode, as this is a common oversight. Next, take a moment to check for any physical obstructions that might be blocking the signal between your remote and the console. A clear line of sight, even across a few feet, is crucial for proper communication. These initial checks can often resolve minor connectivity issues quickly and efficiently, getting you back to your entertainment. Now, let's move on to some basic connectivity checks. It's essential to confirm that your remote's batteries are inserted correctly, paying close attention to the positive and negative terminals. Sometimes, a simple misplacement can prevent the remote from powering on. Try pressing a few different buttons to see if there's any response from your console. Also, try moving within a few feet of your PlayStation 5 to eliminate any potential range issues that might be affecting the signal strength. If the basic checks didn't work, it's time for a battery replacement and repairing. First, replace both of the AAA batteries with brand new ones. Even if they seem okay, fresh batteries are key. Next, on your PlayStation 5, go to the Settings menu, then Accessories, and select Media Remote. To initiate pairing, hold down the PlayStation button and the TV button on your remote simultaneously for about 3 seconds until the remote's indicator light begins to flash, signaling it's ready to connect. For more persistent issues, let's try some advanced troubleshooting. Begin by performing a full system restart of your PlayStation 5 console. Sometimes, a fresh boot can resolve software glitches. Also, check for any other wireless devices nearby, such as Wi-Fi routers or other Bluetooth accessories, that might be causing signal interference. Finally, if all else fails, locate the small reset button on the back of your media remote. Use a small pin to press and hold it for 5 seconds to restore factory defaults, then attempt to repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.